I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the image and confirming access. Make sure the photo file is on your device or a direct link accessible from your browser or phone. Once done, log into Facebook and keep the image open in a tab or your camera roll. If privacy matters, switch to an account or use incognito to avoid history tying back. Now you're ready to choose the route: Facebook's own search features, marketplace listing search, or a reverse image engine that can query Facebook results. You'll now perform the actual search. On desktop, create a private post or marketplace draft and upload the image. Facebook may show visually similar suggestions. Scan those. Next, open a reverse image engine like Google Images, drag the photo into the image search box, and scan results for Facebook-hosted copies. Look for FBCDN or Facebook.com links. Also try Facebook graph search style queries. Type descriptive phrases, names, or locations in the Facebook search bar to surface profiles or posts that match the image context. Finish by confirming matches and validating context. Open any candidate posts or profiles, check dates, captions, and mutual connections to ensure it's the same source. If results are weak, crop to focus on unique features, try a higher resolution file, or run the search again with alternate keywords. Small changes improve matching. If you still get nothing, broaden to other image engines or politely share the image in relevant Facebook groups for crowd help. Always respect privacy and obtain consent before posting someone else's photo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.